peaceful day on the Zambezi River turned into an adventure we will never forget. We have Zambia, and to the right we got Zimbabwe. And this is the Zambezi River. We are going on a sunset cruise. Probably will see some animals and the sunset as well. Expected to see crocodiles and hippos and bears, and if you're lucky to see some elephants and giraffes.
You see it, guys? Sorry. All right. So straight with you.
Yeah.
Just by the bushes underneath the water. It's yellowish. Yeah. Straight with you. Just go to the trees. It's yellowish.
Yeah, yeah.
You see it?
Yeah. What is that?
Crocodile.
The river was calm, and everybody on the boat was just enjoying the moment. Suddenly the sky just changed. We could see from a far distance that the sky turned to yellow and brown, like a sandstorm coming in. Then the winds started picking up, and the lifeboats just got ripped away. A full chaos. Things were flying everywhere. People got panicked. Some didn't hide under the tables. The captain and his crew, they stayed calm. Slowly, carefully, they steered us back. And right then, as if nature wanted to remind us of its beauty, a small herd of elephants stepped out of the trees and walked towards the water to drink. It was an amazing view.